What's up, people? It's been a little minute. Figured I'll hit y'all with a little update. Showing the wagon. Same shit as far as interior go. Different shift knob and boot. Took that from the bubble. It's been a minute since I gave y'all an update. Since the last time y'all seen the car. The single cam that was in it when I bought it, that shit blew up. Did a motor swap, painted the engine bay, wheels. Enough of the talking, let y'all see some of the action. Black cows, the headlights, yellow highs, nothing crazy. And show y'all what's in here. So after the F22 blew up in that car, took the head off, picked up an F23, H23 trans from the turbo car too. 6-puck clutch, lightweight flywheel. Shit was spinning first gear, easy all motor. But then some bullshit happened. Bottomed out, lost all the oil. Took a couple goodies from the CD5. See, got the aluminum rad in here. I gotta get another slim fan for that. I took the TN1 pieces off, throw them on here. I gotta get another lip. That ain't about nothing, no. Same shit. Look a lot better. I got some pictures. I ain't had a camera set up and shit when I did the motor swap and painted the engine bay on this, but I got some pictures and shit y'all can see after the video. But more footage on this car coming soon. Show y'all what's going on with this. CD7 out here. Started painting the front end. Getting ready to put the H back in. Unfortunately, it's a bit cold. The paint didn't come out how I wanted it to. It's a lot of overspray. But it'll do for now. Get us through the winter. I'm gonna leave it all motor for a little bit. Then boost on stock internals, and I'll get some slugs for it. Up it. Maybe 600-700 wheel. We out here. Stay in tune, man. Keep bullying. Keep gunning.